there, my name is Emily Simpkinson. I'm the head chef at Drake's Brewing Company. For Christmas, we're making a mushroom pot pie with our signature Santa's Brass brew. So we're going to start with olive oil. It's a mixture of cremini and baby portobello mushrooms, but you can use pretty much any mushrooms that you like. For our next step, we're going to add mustard and soy sauce, and I like the flavors to develop, so I'll let it reduce during this step. So you just use regular AP flour, sprinkle it across. So yeah, we're going to put the puff pastry sheets on top, like so. All right, this is Santa's Brass mushroom pot pie. Let's dig in.